Hey, it's Tina Forsyth here. I'm the founder of the Elevate Inner Circle and also the creator of the Expertise-Based Offer. I specialize in helping busy service providers shift from getting paid for their doing to getting paid for their expertise so that they can make more money in less time. Now, a copy of my productivity calendar that you've requested that is on its way to your inbox as we speak. It should be landing there within about 10 minutes or so. In the calendar, what I outline for you is a 3-step process to be able to lay out your ideal schedule. I share with you my top tips for how to prioritize the stuff that matters so that you are getting the right things done on a daily basis to move your business forward, to grow your business, instead of just feeling like you're busy and not really getting anything done all the time. I also give you a copy of my own personal 30-hour work week calendar so you can see exactly how I structure my day, exactly how I structure my week, so that I can get everything done and run my successful 6-figure business in 30 hours or less each and every week. And you are more than welcome to copy my calendar in whatever way, shape, or form suits you. So let me ask you this. Are you working too hard for the money that you're making right now? Do you feel like you've hit a ceiling, you've hit a limit of how much money you can be making for the simple fact that you don't have any more hours in the day to get work done? If this is true for you, you are certainly not alone. Now, I spent the first 10 years of my business as a one-on-one service provider. And once my business was full, I hit the limit of how much money I could earn. Now, I was working with great clients. I was doing work that I really loved, work that I enjoyed. But the truth was, I couldn't make any more money because there was no more of me to go around. And this was extra frustrating when I would see my clients and some of my colleagues who were making more money than I was making. And they were working way less hours. They had time off to go for lunch in the middle of the day with friends, and they were able to do things that I didn't feel like I had the time to do. In 2009, I hit a limit. I hit what I like to call my bursting point, where enough was enough and something had to change. My girls were still babies at that time. They were just 1 and 3, and I found myself working so much that I didn't have the time I wanted to be able to spend with them. And yet, I still wanted to grow my business. I still wanted to expand my business. I wanted to fulfill my potential. I knew I had so much more that I could offer to my clients. 2009 was the year that I shifted my business model from getting paid just for my doing and starting to get paid for my expertise, for my knowledge, for the wisdom that I had built up over the years. Now, since making that shift, I have earned a consistent 6-figure income in my business. And not just in my business, I've been able to pay myself personally a consistent 6-figure income. This is extra important for me, given that I'm a single mama, just me and my girls. I'm the sole provider for our family. I mean, truly, it's a blessing to be able to have my business be a part of our lives in this way. I also work no more than 30 hours a week. I have plenty of time available to spend time with my daughters who keep growing up. My goodness, the time goes so fast. I don't work weekends. We take vacations. I can take an unplugged vacation where I don't need to check in email and phone and have my computer with me, and I don't have clients that are tapping on my door or trying to interrupt our time together. My vacations are 100% unplugged, so I can enjoy my time off and come back refreshed and ready to work and to continue to serve my clients. Now, what I've discovered is getting paid for your expertise isn't actually that difficult, as long as you know what to offer and how to charge for it. I have helped hundreds of service providers make this shift over the past few years. I've worked with everyone from bookkeepers, copywriters, graphic designers, web designers, virtual assistants, online business managers. I've worked with PR professionals, marketing professionals, software experts, techie folks, anyone who gets paid to do stuff for their clients as a service provider, you name it. I've worked with them. And I've helped them shift from being just a doer, that doing space, to being able to charge well and make a great living, being paid for their expertise as well too. I've put together a system to help lay out what this process looks like and to really help you identify your own expertise-based offering. This is a one-day workshop that I'm offering on a regular basis. You'll find some dates and options here with this video. In the workshop, we go through 3 different things. First and foremost, we start with taking an inventory of your expertise. If you have been serving your clients for at least 3 years and helping your clients get great results, if they're happy with the work that you're doing for them, I guarantee you that you have developed expertise that you may not be charging for yet. In fact, most of the service providers I work with have a blind spot when it comes to seeing their own expertise. And we start the day together. I lead you through a series of exercises that will shine a light on the very things that you should be charging the most for. The second piece we focus on together is exploring the 3 different types of expertise-based business models. There are 3 different ways that you can leverage your knowledge, wisdom, and expertise that you've built to date and take that to the next level into a business model that you can expand upon. A business model that doesn't just require you to be paid one-on-one for your doing all the time. Now, I've offered all 3 of these different types of services myself over the years. I've worked with and supported many of my clients to do the same. So I can share with you intimately the benefits and the pitfalls of each of these different business models and help you choose the one that is going to be the best fit for you. The third piece we're going to work on is helping you find your right fit pricing. Now, service providers generally make 2 big pricing mistakes, one of 2 mistakes when it comes to pricing. They're either not charging enough or they're charging too much. Now, most service providers do not charge enough. That's true. But finding the right price isn't just about charging as much as you possibly can. You want to be purposeful with knowing and understanding the value that you provide to the market, the value that you're going to provide to your clients, and also making sure that you're charging a rate that you can feel confident in asking for, and that's going to allow you to make the money that you want to be making. Using my proven money game formula, we combine your expertise with different pricing options to land on the right price for you to be able to start making the money that you want to be able to make. Now today I want to invite you to join us for our next workshop coming up, and here's how it'll work. We spend 5 hours together virtually. This is a virtual workshop, no travel required. Yay! Now it's not your typical teaching workshop. I promise you this is not 5 hours of listening to Tina talk and you're taking a bunch of notes and making a giant to-do list that you leave at the end of the day with the best of intention of completing and you never actually get done. I understand. Been there, done that myself. I have a number of those to-do lists hanging around myself too. This is a working day where I'm going to guide you through various exercises throughout the day, and you are going to have the time to do the work together with me, live access to me, so that you can ask questions, so that we can brainstorm ideas, so that you can get feedback from me directly on what it is you're considering and what it is you're creating. Put simply, my goal for you is this: for you to have identified and mapped out your next offering, your expertise-based offering by the end of the day. And if you haven't done that, I will stay late. I promise. I'll stay late and work with you until it's complete, until it's ready. That's my promise for you. Now, this workshop is usually $297. When I offer it to my list, that's the price that I'm charging. But we've just met. And as a thank you for you, just a, hey, glad to meet, glad to connect, what I want to do is give you a special offer that's available for you today only, for the next 24 hours. Instead of $297, I'm going to give you $200 off as my special get to know you bonus. And this is available for the next 24 hours. You can register for just $97. So just to summarize again, this is a one-day hands-on workshop. You can see the upcoming dates available here with the video. Seats are limited, so I get to work with you personally and we can make things happen. And in our time together, we are going to clarify your expertise. What is the number one thing that clients want from you that you aren't offering yet and that they want to pay you more money for? We're going to help you decide which of the 3 expertise-based business models is the best fit for you, the best fit for what you want to create. And we're going to lay out your premium pricing strategy so that you can start making more money here right away. Now, today, again, the next 24 hours, you get $200 off. That is my gift for you to say thanks for connecting. That'll be available here for the rest of the day. Just click the button on this video with this video here to register. I look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming workshops and helping you start to get paid for your expertise and not just your doing. It's Tina Forsyth here. Until next time, take care. Bye now.